Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of archiving a group chat in WhatsApp Web. Archiving a group chat can help you declutter your chat list without losing any important conversations. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your computer. Step 2. Find the desired group chat in your chat list. Step 3. Right-click on the group chat to reveal a drop-down menu. Step 4. From the options presented, select Archive Chat. By following these simple steps, you can easily archive a group chat in WhatsApp Web. This will remove the chat from your main chat list, but still keep it saved in the archived section for future reference. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of archiving group chats in WhatsApp Web. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting content.